Prepare for an incredible discovery as we take you on a Google Earth flyover to witness the fascinating Manta Ray sea drone maneuvering off the California coast. This animal-like, uncrewed underwater vehicle, dubbed the Manta Ray, is reshaping naval combat, particularly in Eastern Europe, where Ukrainian forces have used similar sea drones to sink prized Russian ships. With its almond-shaped body, rounded nose, horizontal fins, and vertical tail, the Manta Ray is easily recognizable. Despite its considerable size, the Manta Ray glides effortlessly through the water, dipping below the waves and resurfacing with minimal wake. Launched in 2020 by the Defense Advanced Research Projects Agency, the Manta Ray program aims to develop undersea machinery capable of working extended hours and traveling extreme distances with minimal human contact. Northrop Grumman's prototype was first teased during the Sea Air Space Defense Conference. Now, rigorous evaluations have confirmed its robust design with no leaks or faults. The U.S. Navy is betting on uncrewed systems like the Manta Ray to reduce logistical demands, boost surveillance, and augment firepower. As part of a strategy to integrate more uncrewed vessels, this technology represents the future of naval operations. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more amazing discoveries.